stoRHYS of AMIAmazing. For today, we're gonna open a kid's makeup from No Nasties. So now here's the package, and it says design and pretty play makeup. And then here is the stuff that I'm not gonna show you. Oh no, I think it's this side. Okay, there it goes. Okay, now here's the box. Ta-da! Now here is the side brush.
Double-sided brush.
Oh, double side brush. Yes, here it is. There you go. It's so cute. And then it's other twin. And then we have a mirror. So cute. And then we have for something. What's it?
It's a blush and
This is
applicator.
a blush applicator. Oh no! Oh no! There's the secret. And here's the bag. What it is. Let's open it. Can you open it to? Oh, there we go. You just pull it here. Let's see. Okay. Now here is the shimmer bomb. This is the shimmer bomb. And it's color yellow. And then we have here. I feel something good. Oh, it's purple. Oh, this is the purple eyeshadow. And it's so cute. Now let's see. I'm so excited. Wait, let me see the thing again. Ooh, red. It's red. Ooh, lip balm. This is where you open it and then put it up your lips. And it's also red. See that? Red. I love red. It's nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My favorite color, blue. Blue eyeshadow. Look at that. Read that. Oh, it's blue eyeshadow. Oh, it's red. But okay. There we go. And then we are gonna get. Oh, we have two more. Oh my. Oh, it's a blush. We have the blush. It's so big, bigger than the others. Compare. So here's the blush. So you're just gonna put it like that. And then the last one. Ooh. Oh, yay. So it's like if I put a little dark blue, the purple and dark blue, a little bit dark, I can use the white. Here's the white eyeshadow. And it comes with these. And yes. So guys, now I think this is the end of the bag. Let's see. There's nothing. Okay. I'm gonna clean this up. I'll be quick. I love cleaning up.
So where do you get that makeup again?
It's from No Nasties. Ta-da! It's so cute. And then we're gonna put the mirror over here. This is where we're gonna.
Do you like it?
Yeah, and then here's where the example I have a purple eyeshadow. Use the mirror and then.
Really? Are you excited?
Oh yes! See you at the next part or maybe part 2 of my birthday. Here's the blush. Then you're gonna. You look like a potato that time. Have a blush. Oh
So
wait.
is that safe for kids?
Of course, because why did my parents buy it? Because it's for kids. so you can use it too. So now guys, this is the end of this video unboxing kids makeup for No Nasties. So this is also safe for kids that who has sensitive skin. And now I hope you like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye. Now we are going. My mom's gonna make up me for my surprise for you. So I'm so excited now. First she's gonna do the blush. So now let's go. Now we're done with the powder. Now we're going to do the eyebrows. Now we're going to make it dark. Super. Not too dark.
Going to use
A blush by
This
No
one?
Nasties.
Nasties.
Remember from my last video, I showed all of you my No Nasties makeup, and now we're using this right now. This is the blush, the biggest one.
Are you going to use this now? Or eyeshadow?
Guys. Oh yeah, I think it's the blush because the blush will cover the eyeshadow. That will turn purple.
Make her.
With the blush now, we're gonna use this white eyeshadow. Oops. Remember this? I don't know the comments. It's from No Nasties. No Nasties. No Nasties. I love No Nasties because they have a really cool thing. Yeah.
Close your eyes.
And we have to close your eyes when you someone eyelash you. Eyeshadow, I don't know. Everyone think it's sparkly. Look at that. Look at the glitter. I can see the glitter. Super glitter. Glitter. So now guys we have now we're done with the white eyeshadows. Now we can now put the under or up by this eyeshadow. It's the blue eyeshadow, my favorite color. So let's do this. Now you have to close your eyes again. Close.
Is it pantay?
No.
Pantay na
it's
ba
not.
ang ano niya? Black eye?
No. Hey! I don't. Nope. It's not.
Let me see. Is it nice? Oh.
I'm done with the blue. Now the eyeshadows are good. And now we're gonna do the eye color. But I'm not gonna do it alone because I don't know how. So my mom is gonna do it. I'm so
I don't know
nervous.
too.
I'm so nervous.
Oh yeah, me too. I think you need to. Tama ba? Oh, hindi. Dito. Baba. Yan. Ay, mali.
No, no.
Mahigpit yung
I
mata.
don't
Ay, don't do that. May erase yung makeup. Ate, ikaw na lang. I don't know how. Up. You need to look up. Up. Ay, tama ba to? Hindi ako. Wala kasi akong pilik. Again, you trust mom. Come on. It's okay.
How would you touch my eye?
No.
Is it soft? Wait.
Yeah, it's so soft.
Oh, yeah.
See? I just need to get your eyelash. Oh, yeah. Okay, good job. Si Tauchi? Oh, see? Wow! It's curly.
Here's the mascara.
Look up. Look up. Very good. Good job.
It looks like, guys. Thumbs up. Subscribe and thumbs up if you really love it. I think you love it because look at the eyes.
Here.
Here's the lipstick, my favorite.
Actually, this is just a lip balm
A lip balm.
with a
Wait.
color.
I thought it was
a little
just-
color. Yeah, this one first.
Yeah, let's do this one. Oh, we also have another lip balm.
Yeah. Sige, let's put
Yeah,
that
let's-
first.
Put that first. But it will not seem because it's the same color for your lips. They make it more soft.
It moisturizes your lip.
Yep.
This is also from
Mom, No Nasties.
Safe for Kids.
They forget it has skin that this a sensitive skin.
Okay. And this one is a shimmer balm.
And this one is a shimmer balm.
Is that the pretty?
Yeah.
Give me that.
That's my little brother, guys. He's so cute. Oh, guys, I have a gun here.
Mm-mm.
it's not. It's a shimmer bomb but it's not shimmery.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.